Welcome back to Math 109, Plain Trigonometry. In this course, or video, we're going to talk about similar triangles. So, I've drawn two similar triangles here, ABC and DEF. Now, the fact that these triangles are similar means that four things have to be true. One of them is angle A has to be congruent to angle D. Angle B is congruent to angle E. Angle C is congruent to angle F. And there is a common ratio between the corresponding sides. So AB over DE where this AB and DE is just the length of that side, is going to be equal to BC over EF, which is equal to AC over DF. Now, a special case of this would be if this common ratio between the side lengths was 1. That would imply the triangles are not just similar, but because the side lengths would all be the same, the triangles would actually be congruent. But for the most part, for now, we're just going to deal with similar triangles. So as an example of dealing with this, I take triangles, and I'm going to use right triangles here. So we have a triangle with side lengths 3, 4, and 5. And I'm going to tell you that alpha is equal to 53.1 degrees. And beta is equal to x. And then in this other triangle, we have side lengths of 6, y, and 10. And this angle up here is going to be gamma. And down here, theta, and I will give you that gamma is equal to 53.1 degrees. And theta is equal to 36.9 degrees. So we want to find what x and y are. X is the easy one, because we know the corresponding angles have to be congruent. We know that angle theta is 36.9 degrees. That has to be congruent to angle beta, so therefore x has to equal 36.9 degrees. So now y is where we're going to have to set up that ratio. So we're going to say that 6 over 3 is equal to y over 4. And there's multiple ways that we could solve this. What we're going to do in general is the method of cross multiplication. So I just drew green lines there to indicate what we're doing. We're going to multiply those things together and set them equal to each other. That is, in essence, is just multiplying by the product of the denominators on each side. So what we're going to get out of that is 24 is equal to 3y. We can divide both sides of that by 3, and we get 8 is equal to y. So that's how we solve similar triangles. That will be it for the first set of lectures for this course. After class on Wednesday, the videos will be up for the next section of the textbook, which is going to talk about some of the trigonometric ratios that we're going to be using in this course.